It's that time of year again. It's October! Last year, Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning collected over 4,000 pairs of socks for Card's Closet. This year, we've created a little friendly competition and have included some local businesses to help sock that number out of the park.
At Harms Insurance Group, we know how Card's Closet has positively impacted the community. So when Beth asked us to join the competition, we jumped out of our socks at the chance to help out.
Did you know that socks are the most requested, but yet least donated item at homeless shelters every year?
What kind of socks do pirates wear? Argyle.
Bank of Prairie is super excited to join the competition. We're looking for brand new pairs of socks at all of our locations to support this year's Socktober drive.
You can drop off brand new adult or kid socks at either Beans and Cream location for this year's Socktober.
We're excited to participate in the Socktober drive.
Order for Jeff.
Maybe a little too excited.
It doesn't matter what size, as long as they're brand new socks. Our goal is pretty achievable, and I'm pretty sure Bank of Prairie is going to be top sock.
Regardless of who wins this year's sock race, the real winner is the Sun Prairie community.
Yeah, so people have mailed in their socks. You can drop them off at our office, or you can simply hand them to your tech out in the field.
This year, Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning is teaming up with Beans and Cream, Harms Insurance Group, and the Bank of Sun Prairie to make this Socktober a huge success. And we can't do it without your help.
I'm so excited for this October, going on now until the 31st.